Welcome back to Innovative Insights, and today I'm going to show you the basics of how to use Visual Studio Code with Python. So first of all, you're going to want to open a folder, and I've got a folder already made on my desktop called Python Basics. So once you've opened the folder, you're going to want to click New File. So then you name it, let's call it hello world.python. Well, .py is what makes it Python. That's Python's extension. So we're going to start off with the print command, and then we're going to put in quotations hello world. And then if we run this code, it'll print right here hello world. And some of the other things you can do with Python, we're gonna so you've written your first program right there with the hello world. In the command line you can do math like 2 plus 2 and it'll present 4, and then you can do 2 minus 2 and you get 0. So you can do math in Python like that. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So you can use variables, which you just put like banana equals 5, and then you've set the variable to be 5, and then you can take that and print banana, and in the command line down here it should print 5. And then if you do, you can do other equations like variables like bananas eaten equals 2. So then you, with the math, you can do print, or you can do total banana equals banana. What's nice about Visual Studio Code is it will autocomplete your variable, like using tab. It brings up argument that, and you can click tab to autocomplete your argument, and then you can print total banana, and it should come out to be 3, 7. It's going to put minus total eaten, which equals 3. Another basic part of Python is strings. So let's make a string example string. So this way to write syntax is called camel syntax, camel type or something. And then in quotes you put I am a string, and then you just print example string, which it'll print I am a string. To make a game of some sort, you do like name equals, like this is input, so like you put in your name, so it's like input. So for inputs, you put quotation marks, and let's say, what is your name? Then it will, and then you put print name, because it's a variable. And then when you do that, it's going to ask, what is your name? And then it's going to print your name. To use a time to like, so another thing you can use in Python is functions. And it's to start a function, you put def for definition, and then you put the name of what your function wants to be, function, and then in those parentheses you put the variables your functional needs. So it's going to have x, y, and z. So when you put in your function, when you put and then you're going to go x, you're going to put like a variable name like answer equals x times y times z. And then what you do from there is, if you want it outside the function, you print, yeah. From there you print type, you type print, and then you type answer. And then what you do is you write function, the value you want your x to be, and then comma, the value you want your y to be, and comma, the value you want your z to be. And then you run it, and you get the answer. So that's 60. Another thing you can do is write return here, and then write answer. So then you can run the function, and then print the answer out here, or use it in any other function. Just that one didn't work. Let's set answer up here, define the variable up here. Let's see if that works. Or return answer. That other one works. So now you know some of the basics of Python. And then next video we will go into conditionals and planning your program. We'll go into conditionals next time, and then after that we'll go planning programming. Thank you for watching Innovative Insights.